Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off significant location in system services on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the Screen Time. Then in the screen time, scroll down again and click the content and privacy restrictions. Then after that, in the content and privacy restrictions, scroll down and go to privacy section, then click the location services. Then in the location services, scroll down and click the system services. Then after that, in the system services, scroll down again and click the significant locations. Then after that, in the significant locations, as you will see, there's a switch button on the right side of it. Then all you have to do is just click it to enable until it becomes green. When the significant location is enabled, it allows your iPhone and iCloud connected devices to learn places significant to you in order to provide useful location-related information in maps, calendar, photos, and more. Significant location are end-to-end encrypted and cannot be read by Apple. And if you want to disable, just click again the switch button. And a pop-up will appear, then click turn off. And that's it, we have successfully turned on and off significant location in system services on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!